At 350, roast the big cauliflower head, then cut off the florets. Cut the florets in the food processor to make cauliflower rice. Add 2 tablespoons sesame oil, 2 tablespoons rice vinegar. Mix well. Press, then flatten it out. Sprinkle some rice seasoning. Cream mixture is a combination of 1 cup cream cheese, half a cup sour cream, half a cup mayonnaise, half a cup shredded cheddar cheese, half a cup cooked salmon, half a cup imitation crab meat. Add some cut yellow mangoes on top if you want. Sprinkle some more rice seasoning. Add some Japanese mayo, wasabi sauce. Then bake at 350 for 10 minutes. There you have it. It's all done. Sushi Bake with cauliflower rice.